Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm doing something. The title is Filipino Identity. Filipino identity refers to the collective characteristics, value, tradition, and beliefs and cultural heritage that are shared by the people of the Philippines. Mga kaugalian lang ng mga Pilipino. Example, like singing for love, singing in CR, that. And I have video, please watch this.
Ito ba? Marahil ikaw ay nagtataka. Sino ba itong nagkagago, nagkagarapan sa pagkanta at nagsisintonado sa kaba? Meron pang dalang mga rosas. Suot naman maong nagpapas. Ano yan pa? Ang barkada nakaporma nakabang sa awiting daig pa may muskot at sinalong. Huwag mo ang langit ng bituin at ilamig pa ng hangin. Sa iyong tingin ako'y nababaliw. Kiliwat sa awitin kong ito, kung maibigan mo. Bubus ko ang buong puso ko sa iyong tiyana para sa iyo.
Thank you for watching of my example Filipino identity videos. First today is our talk is singing for love. In the Philippines, singing for love has deep cultural roots, particularly in tradition like harana. This is a traditional from of surrounding where a man expresses affection by singing love song outside a woman. Even though it's a public display of vulnerability and romantic intent, thus the act of singing for love, particularly as embedded in the Filipino tradition of harana and kumdiman, is transcend simple romantic expression, serving as a powerful love culturally performance that weaves together history, tradition, and enduring language of the hearts.
Filipino time refers to the common cultural tendency in the Philippines to arrive late for appointment or event. It often seen as a casual approach to punctuality, where being a few minutes or even an hour late is considered acceptable. While some view it is a relaxed attitude, others sees is a lack of respect for others' time. Ultimately, is a complex social phenomenon reflecting a blend of cultural norms and individual habits.
guy. I've been waiting for an hour.
Hey bro, sorry for the delay. By the way, this is the bike are you talking about?
Yes, but what were you doing for the past hour? I've been here since 3 o'clock and our agreement is 3:30 and it's already 4:30. What were you doing?
Sorry bro, because I did something important. By the way bro, this is my bag. Check it if you want.
You can check mine also.
Okay bro. Bro, I take it.
Looks good. I take it. How about you?
I take it too.
Okay, bro.
Sorry bro for the delay. It's okay. Okay bro, bye.
Bye.
Crab mentality. It's basically when people try to drag down anyone doing better than them, cause they're jealous. They'd rather everyone stay down than seeing someone else getting ahead. It's like if I ain't getting it, neither are you. This whole thing just holds everyone back. In the Philippines, you hear about this a lot. Why? Well, there's a huge gap between rich and poor, so people feels like success is a rare thing. Our pakikisama things, which is supposed to be about being friendly, can turn pressure to stay where you are. Plus, our history of being colonized might made people suspicious of anyone getting too big. And a lot of folks think there's just not enough to go around, so they try to stop others from getting anything, which just makes things worse for everyone. Here's one of examples of crab mentality. Ka-boring naman. Makapag-TikTok nga. Ah. Lah, ang yabang naman ito. Porket umasenso lang sa buhay. Pero dati ang hirap-hirap nito. Umutang ata to. Or gumawa ng illegal. Kasi imposible niya man itong ma-achieve ang lahat na to eh. Hintayin natin, babagsak ka rin sa huli.